Today in this video I show you how to add bold text in Facebook post on mobile. For adding bold text you have to open this website in your preferred browser with the help of link given in video description. Now open your Facebook post page in which you want to add bold text and type the caption you want. Now as you can see, Facebook mobile does not have any feature for making your text bold. So for that you have to copy or cut the text you want to make bold. And open website from video description. Now paste the text here. You can also type your text in this if you don't want to copy paste. After pasting text, select the bold style you want according to your choice. And now you can see bold text is generated here. Now you have to click on copy and paste your bold text in Facebook like this. And if I click on post, you can see bold text will look like this on Facebook post. So this is how you can add bold text in Facebook post on mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.